Close your eyes and imagine waking up to the smell of fresh bread drifting through the air, the sound of church bells echoing over cobblestone streets, and a view that looks like it was painted just for you. This is France, a country that has stolen the hearts of poets, artists, and travelers for centuries. From Paris's glittering lights to the turquoise seas of the French Riviera, from castles that seem pulled from fairy tales to mountain villages frozen in time. France is a place where history lives, beauty breathes, and culture thrives. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore the best of France, the iconic sights, the hidden corners, the unforgettable flavors, and I'll give you the insider tips that turn a trip into an experience. Whether you've been here before or you've only dreamed about it, this is your ultimate guide to discovering the soul of France. Welcome to Epic Destination, where every journey becomes a story. If you love exploring the world's most incredible places, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. Because today, France is calling, and trust me, you'll want to answer. Paris, the city of light. Our journey begins in Paris, La Ville Lumière, the city of light. For centuries, Paris has been the beating heart of French culture, art, and romance. Eiffel Tower. No matter how many photos you've seen, nothing compares to standing beneath the Eiffel Tower as its iron lacework rises above you. My tip: go early in the morning to avoid the crowds, or visit at night when 20,000 golden lights dance across its frame every hour. The Louvre, home to over 35,000 works of art, including the Mona Lisa. The Louvre is more than a museum. It's a treasure chest of human history. Don't rush. Pick a few minutes and truly explore. Notre Dame Cathedral. Though scarred by fire, Notre Dame still stands as one of Gothic architecture's greatest masterpieces. Its flying buttresses, rose windows, and centuries-old bells tell stories Paris will never forget. Montmartre. Once the stomping grounds of Picasso and Van Gogh, Montmartre's cobbled streets wind past tiny cafes, street musicians, and the dazzling white Sacré-Cœur Basilica, with a view that stretches across all of Paris. Hidden cafes. Skip the overpriced spots near the main attractions. Wander into side streets and you'll find cafes where the croissants are buttery enough to melt in your mouth and the coffee comes with a smile. If Paris is stealing your heart already, give this video a thumbs up. It helps more travelers discover the beauty of France. The French Riviera, Côte d'Azur. Next, we trade the romance of Paris for the sun-kissed glamour of the French Riviera, the Côte d'Azur. Here, the Mediterranean glitters like liquid sapphire, and the days are meant to be savored slowly. Nice! Promenade des Anglais at sunset, pebble beaches, the old town with pastel facades and open-air markets, full of lavender olives and sun-ripened tomatoes. Cannes. Famous for its film festival, but outside the red carpet, it's a mix of golden beaches and relaxed seaside dining. Monaco. Technically a separate country, but a jewel on the Riviera. The Monte Carlo Casino, Formula One race views, and cliffside panoramas. Saint-Tropez, from fishing village to celebrity hotspot, still full of charm if you know where to look. Life here is unhurried. a glass of chilled rosé, the sea breeze on your face, and the scent of bougainvillea in the air. Beyond the glamour, France's countryside offers some of the most peaceful, soul-stirring landscapes you'll ever see. Provence. Visit in June or July for lavender fields stretching to the horizon. Farmers' markets overflow with olives, cheese, and sun-blushed fruit. Loire Valley, nicknamed the Garden of France, dotted with chateaux like Chambord and Chenonceau, each with its own royal tales. Alsace, where French and German cultures blend. Colorful timbered houses, Riesling wines, and Christmas markets straight out of a snow globe. In France, eating isn't just dining. It's experiencing history, passion, and pride on a plate. Baguettes and pastries, fresh from the oven each morning, crispy outside, soft inside. Cheese, over 1,200 varieties, from creamy brie to tangy roquefort. Classic dishes, coq au vin, beef bourguignon, ratatouille, slow-cooked perfection. Wine, Bordeaux reds, Burgundy Pinot Noir, champagne from its birthplace. And pairing food and wine here isn't a choice, it's a tradition. Every stone in France has a story to tell. Versailles Palace, a symbol of opulence. Normandy's beaches, where the world changed forever in 1944. Carcassonne, a medieval fortress city frozen in time. If you step off the tourist trail, you'll find treasures many travelers miss. Annecy, the Venice of the Alps. Colmar, a living fairy tale. Gorge de Verdon, Europe's Grand Canyon. Dune du Pilat, the tallest sand dune in Europe. Travel tips and hacks.